Welcome back to Dr. Green Geek's money-saving, eco-friendly tips and tricks. Today we're diving into the world of DIY skincare with a project that's both fun and functional, solid lotion bars. These bars are perfect for keeping your skin moisturized without the mess of store-bought traditional lotions and creams. And if you're stuck looking for the perfect gift idea, these homemade bars might just do the trick. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make your own solid lotion bars. Beeswax pellets, 1 cup. Beeswax helps solidify the bar and forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. You will be looking to spend around $10 per pound for this wax. Coconut oil, 1 cup. Deeply moisturizing, coconut oil soothes and softens the skin with its rich fatty acids and antibacterial properties. These tend to run around $5 per 14-ounce jar. Mango butter, 1/2 cup. Light and non-greasy. Mango butter is rich in vitamins A and E, which rejuvenate and nourish the skin. This usually goes for $12 per pound. Jojoba oil, 1/2 cup. Resembling skin's natural oils, jojoba oil is an excellent moisturizer with anti-inflammatory properties. Look to spend $15 per 16-ounce bottle. Essential oils, 25 drops. This step is completely optional, but will add fragrance and additional skin benefits. Lavender, for example, is soothing and calming. Oils usually go for $10 for a small bottle. If beeswax isn't available, consider using candelilla wax for a vegan option. Substitute shea butter or cocoa butter for mango butter if needed. Replace jojoba oil with almond oil or olive oil for similar moisturizing effects. Of course, you'll also need some basic kitchen equipment. A wide-mouth mason jar for melting ingredients, a double boiler or saucepan to gently melt the ingredients, silicone molds for shaping the lotion bars, a stirring spoon, preferably silicone for easy cleaning and minimal sticking, and measuring cups for accurate ingredient proportions. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can use a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan. For molds, ice cube trays or muffin tins work well. Now, let's make our lotion bars. First, prepare your ingredients. Measure out your beeswax, coconut oil, mango butter, and jojoba oil. Next, melt the ingredients. Place all ingredients in a mason jar. Set the jar in a saucepan with a few inches of water to create a double boiler. Heat on medium, stirring frequently until everything is melted. Once it's thoroughly melted and mixed, remove from heat and add your essential oils, stirring to combine. After that, pour the mixture into your silicone molds. Carefully pour the mixture into your molds. Finally, cool and set. Allow the bars to cool completely at room temperature or in the fridge. Once solidified, unmold and store. Pop the bars out of the molds and store them in a mason jar or an airtight container. Let's talk about costs. Making a batch of these lotion bars will cost around $20 to $30, depending on the ingredients and quantities used. Each 2-ounce bar costs a little over $1, making them a budget-friendly, luxurious skincare option. Well, there you have it, your very own solid lotion bars for you and others to enjoy. A perfect little project for saving you money and becoming eco-friendly at the same time. And who knows, if you get good enough and create a demand, might even become a great little side hustle to make some extra money as well. If you enjoyed this DIY project, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. We're always looking for your suggestions as well. If you ever tried making these lotion bars, drop us a comment below and let us know. Always remember, if you're looking for more budget-friendly tips, tricks, and eco-friendly sustainable products and honest reviews and more, check out drgreengeek.com. Thanks for watching.